Hi friends, we are going to be doing a song about the weather, okay? I'm gonna have a book here with different pictures and we're gonna look at all different types of weather, okay? Here we go.
Gusty, windy, breezy, that's the weather.
That's the weather.
Snowy, blowy, rainy, that's the weather.
That's the weather.
Just like on the news, we'll look for weather clues. We're weather detectives for a day. We're weather detectives for a day. This is Sunny Day, reporting live for Channel 6 News. Are you ready for today's weather? Here we go. What kind of weather is this?
What kind is it? Sunny! Look, it's sunny! The sun's out. Sunny.
What kind of weather is this?
Look, what's falling from the sky? Those are raindrops, and there's an umbrella, so it's rainy. Rainy weather. Rainy.
What kind of weather is this?
Look, there's a snowman, and there's snowflakes, and there's something on the floor. It's white. So that's snowy weather. Snowy.
What kind of weather is this?
Look, there's a kite blowing. Windy. It's windy and it's cloudy. Look, there's lots of clouds.
Gusty, windy, breezy, that's the weather.
That's the weather.
Snowy, blowy, rainy, that's the weather.
That's the weather.
Just like on the news, we'll look for weather clues. We're weather detectives for a day. We're weather detectives for a day. This is Sunny Day, reporting live for Channel 6 News.
That's the weather.
Good job, friends. That was our weather. So I have a few pictures here. I'm going to see if you guys can remember what the weather is. Look. Sunny. This is sunny weather. Sunny weather. Look. Where's sunny? Sunny. Good job. Look. There's more raindrops. So this is rainy weather. Rainy. Where is rainy? Good job. This one's rainy. All right, look. Look at all this in the sky. You can't see the sun. It's cloudy. Cloudy weather. Cloudy. Look, where is cloudy? Yeah, this one's cloudy. Good job. All right, friends. I hope you liked that song and keep practicing your weather, okay? Bye.